I'm your English teacher. Today I'm going to explain you something really very wonderful about articles. My dear students, can you imagine to make a sentence without using an article? A sentence without an article is just like a body without soul. Yes, you can say that it works like a body or it works like body to a soul, or it works like soul to a body. So it is something like this. First of all, we are having how many articles? 3 articles together. First is a, then an, and the. Now where and in what terms and conditions these articles are used? So first of all, we must know this first. Okay, so here I am having a few things. For example, I am showing you that where in what terms and condition you can use article a and the. So first of all, let me make clear that where you can use article o or article a. Okay, so here I am having a book. This is only one book. Can you see any other book in my hand? I have got only one book here. So because I am talking about one single thing here, so article a will be used, because article a or article a signifies or denotes single thing. It is mainly used for a single thing only. Just like this, when I say this is a boy, she is a girl, this is a good thing, or this is a fruit. So here all the things are single here. I am not saying, I cannot say like this that this is a fruits. No, it will be completely incorrect. Why? Because when I am adding s to the word fruit, it becomes plural. And for plural form, you cannot use article a. Now, if I am having 2 books together, this and this. Before I was having only one book, but now I was having only one book before, but now I'm having 2 books together. So which article will be used here? Which will be the correct article used for a plural form of a sentence or plural form? So it will be article the. When I'm talking about a single book, so it will be article a. Then I'll say this is a book. But when I'm having 2 books together, so I will say these are the books. Okay? And this will change into these, because this stands for one single thing, and these, T-H-E-S-E, these stands for more than one. It can be 2, it can be 10, it can be countless, but it should be in plural form. So article the is mainly used for a proper noun or a plural thing. Okay? Now let's talk about article an. What am I having in my hand right now? Which fruit is this? This is an apple. You all might have eaten an apple, and it must be your favorite also. Many children must be liking apple a lot. But do you know that which article is used when you're talking about an apple? When you're talking about this fruit, apple. Like that, many things are there. Ink pot, ice cream, egg, aeroplane, elephant. All the vowels. The words starting with a vowel, like egg, aeroplane, anchor, arch, eagle, egg, ice cream, ink pot, and many more are there. Engineer, many more are there, I'm telling you. So, but one example only I have taken here, because I got an apple, so I chose this apple to use it for an article. So when you're talking about an apple, so you cannot say that this is a apple or this is the apple. Both the articles will be incorrect if you are using for this apple. It will be this is an apple. So in the same way, when we are talking about this is a fruit, pomegranate. So which article you will use for this fruit? You will use this is a pomegranate. You cannot say this is the pomegranate, or you cannot say this is an pomegranate. It will be completely incorrect. But here, this is a single thing. So I am using article a. If there were many pomegranates together, then I would have used these are the pomegranates. Then article the would be correct. But here we are talking about single thing, so only article a will be used. So I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Thank you so much.